It's been a minute since my last upload, but I'm back from Sydney and back in the shed. I went and did an asbestos removal course, went to a bucks party and got some new tools to get this project back underway. So come check out my new toys. I've got some Acrow props and I've got a temporary scaffold that's definitely seen better days. I've also got a problem with my Acrows. They're this big and I need them this big. So we're going to have to do something about that. Wondering why I didn't just buy the small ones? Well, I did go to the shop, but they weren't open on Friday, so I had to make do. Unfortunately for me, there's a bloke retiring and he was selling a whole stack of these full-size ones for 30 bucks a pop. And that's about a quarter of recommended retail. So I'm going to transform them from that to that, finally into that. I bought 20 of them, so I'm cutting 10 down and keeping 10 for later on down the track. And after a little bit of mathematics and some more trial and error than I'd like to admit, I worked out I've got to cut this one at 480 and that one at 500. And that will let me have an Acrow prop that extends to 500 right up to 800, which is bang on what I need. So that I don't have to measure twice and cut once, I've written it down right in front of me cutting station so I don't forget. And because I'm such a top bloke, I'm going to do all the hard work, and all you've got to do is hit like, press subscribe, then kick back, listen to the music and watch it all happen. I'm a poor welder, so once I tack the top and bottoms back on, I'll outsource the important welding to one of my brothers, who could weld the crack of dawn if you could get him out of bed early enough. And while he's doing the important work, there's something pretty cool going on over at the house. Not even the bunny setting on the old Fergie's got enough grunt for this job, so I got a hold of a fella who's got a machine that's got plenty. These trees had to come down because they're just way too close to the house, but I do want to replace them with something a bit more appropriate. So if you've got any ideas about something that can block a bit of wind and give us a bit of shade, sing out in the comments. Righto, we've bugged the dozer man for long enough now. The old man put the call out for a few extra troops for one of his infamous little jobs. Better head round and give him a hand. I reckon you guys will like this.
Cattle in the teacher, I'm going to need the dogs to get them out.
You probably jumped the gun a little bit there, Tim.
They're just trying to get up in the hill, oh. Yeah, which teacher are you? You're way past the video, are you? Yeah, a stack of them were running around trying to get around me. Do you think any cattle in the hill, Tim? They're still where I'm at now. No calves. I'm trying to get in front of them.
Hey. Come on. Hey, hey. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey. Nice, nice. yeah. Hey, hey. Walk up, walk up, walk up. Woo. Hey, hey, hey. Go on, hey. Yeah. Roger. Hey. Hey.
Dave, you gotta keep an eye up there. You got some cattle going up there, and I had Wendell around him, but I think he's coming back.
Yeah, you're right, I got him. Alright. Hey! You guys can hurry up, that'd be great. It's all good, I got them now. They're all coming to you now. Get all of them! Wait. You had one breakaway. You had one breakaway up here too. Another one. Yeah, it didn't have a calf. She's got a calf, but you didn't bring it. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Walk. Is that right, Tim? Hey, hey, hey. Hey, cow. Hey, hey, hey. Go on. Woo. Hey.
There you go, some real life Aussie mustering. Kinda like Yellowstone, just a few less train station visits. Anyway, from here we moved the cattle off the dam, through another gate, down an active road, then into the stockyards where they're drafted, given a rest for a couple of hours before the calves are marked, inoculated, then they're counted, put back with their mothers and sent back to their home, which is a whole lot easier getting them back to than away from. So much so that even the next generation gets a ride. How good's that? If you've stuck with me this far, I really appreciate it. I wasn't real sure how the farming side of our lives would be taken on socials, considering the current climate of the world. So more so than usual, be sure to let me know in the comments if you like what you see and if you want more of it. Like Brenda reckons, once in your life you'll need a doctor, a lawyer, a policeman and a preacher. But every day, 3 times a day, you need a farmer. On you, Brenda.